Wow, this is amazing. Finally, the update is here. Pi Network team have actually kept their promise. The update finally came on the 1st of March as they promised. The update reads, Base mining rate dropped. New reward boosts are coming on Pi Day. If I go ahead and click on read more, now if I go right down here, you can take your time and read this update. It's right there inside your application. So the first one reads, I highlighted it. It reads, effective today, March 1st, 2022, a declining reward insurance formula will take effect. In particular, the system-wide base mining rate B will be reduced based on an estimated monthly supply limit where B stays constant for a month and declines every month. The mining mechanism otherwise stays the same until March 14. And the second bullet point here reads, upcoming on March 1st Pi Day 2022, the new mining mechanism, which includes new rewards specified in the December white paper, will take effect. Pioneers will be able to increase their individual mining rate by making newer, more diverse types of contributions to the network via Pi lookup, app usage, and node operations. Now, allow me to read this update before I do my analysis. If I scroll right down, you can see here announcing. Let me go ahead and highlight this, please. Okay, right now it says announcing new mining rate and reward insurance formula. Today on March 1st, 2022, we are announcing the first version of the reward insurance formula. The declining exponential function describes below, whereby the system-wide base mining rate B is reduced based on monthly supply limit. B has today decreased to 0.02367198839 pi per hour, which will stay constant through March 2022 and decrease monthly thereafter. Note that the new base mining rate will take effect after the completion of your respective current mining section that still may use the old rate. This formula intends to ensure that pioneer mining rewards are within the total supply limit of 65 billion allocated for mining rewards as announced in the December white paper. Okay, so let me do some analysis here. You see, this update is actually saying that the mining rate have been reduced to this figure here, 0.00 whatever pi per hour, but it will take effect after your current mining session expired. So let me assume that you mine every 5 a.m. in the morning and your section is currently running. You will still use the old mining rate. So let me assume you'll be mining at 0.5 or 0.8. You will still mine at 0.8. Then when your session expires, this current mining rate will take effect. Okay, that is number one thing to note. And secondly, this mining rate is constant per month. So for the month of March, this will be the mining rate 0.02367198839, and on the month of April it will still drop. As you can see, all right, as you can see on the highlight on the screen, the formula intends to ensure that pioneer mining rewards are within the total supply limit of 65 billion allocated for mining rewards as announced in the December white paper. So we have only 65 billion pies, and currently 30 billion have been supplied. Okay, as you can confirm from here, let me scroll right down. It says, for example, okay, here it says, for example, the 35 billion remaining pie is estimated based on the current available data about Ray Pioneer's mobile balance. So 35 billion pies is remaining to be supplied or mined. Do you understand? So this is actually why the base rate or base mining rate dropped, and it will keep dropping depending on how many pies is remaining. So we have 35 billion as of when this video is made. So let's assume throughout the whole let's assume that throughout the month of March, the whole pioneers were able to supply 5 more billions of bytes. Okay, so now the total pi now remaining 30 billion. So the base rate will still be recalculated, and it will definitely drop to take into consideration drop in the total pi remaining. So that is how it's being done. So in every month it's going to be dropping from time to time. So all you do is try to mine at a higher rate. So this month try to be serious, keep mining every day. Next month, in that way until we exhaust the remaining 35 billion pies. Okay, so that is just the way it is. And if I scroll right down, it says, what can pioneers do? Although the base mining rate has dropped, new mining rewards are coming soon. Like I've said before, it says continue to mine before. Let me highlight it so you know what I'm reading. Continue to mine like before to receive a new 16-wide base mining rate. Completing your security circle to maximize security circle rewards. Invite your friends to MyPi to increase the referral team and a whole lot of that. So it's not really a problem. Nothing more changed. Okay, it have always been the normal mining mechanism until March 14th, when these new rewards mechanisms will be introduced. Thank you very much. I just decided to drop this update. You can go ahead, read and digest it in your own app. I remain Mr. DK.